My knees have a lot of wear and tear over the years. From the first day of this course, they have felt better. Each day has given me new awareness and made it possible to consider my intention as I move. The small movements we have been practicing have really been expanding my sensitivity to the broader impact of subtle movements on my overall ease.
As you are lying down, can you begin to roll your knees and windshield wipe your feet and send? Have a moment to experience your shape on the floor or on the bed. And let's try now synchronizing our feet another way. So now both toes come inwards and both toes goes outwards. So you go pigeon-toed and then like a ballet position, but very, very small and gentle. And as you do find this new synchronization for your feet that go in and out, because I talked of toes, maybe your intention of movement is now on your toes. Can you do this movement by rolling the back of your heels? Where you pay attention to when you're doing the movement changes the movement in a very powerful way. So what I find fascinating in Feldenkrais, and especially for people who come from a dance or yoga or athletic background, it's so difficult to grasp that there's this interdependency between how much we do and how less we feel. So usually when we're thinking about feeling something, we go automatically to make the movement bigger. And it can be very counterintuitive, but the truth is that the smaller we make the movement and the easier, the more its echo can be heard throughout the body.